Yes, hello everyone, welcome back again to this video and welcome back again to No Max TV. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be making money by using ChatGPT. So when we say ChatGPT, most of people we understand that ChatGPT is the tool that's going to be helping us to be generating the kind of information that can be also helping us to be performing your various activities. But also I'm going to be showing you how it can be, it can not only be using as a tool to generate information, but also the marketing tool. So you can be using this as an affiliate marketer and also be able to make an amount of money depending on which affiliate marketing services you are also doing. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be using this ChatGPT with one of the platform that you can be working on as an affiliate and also be able to generate money. For example, now if I ask ChatGPT also to tell me what is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? You see, it is going to be describing in details about the meaning of affiliate marketing, which can be helping me to understand what affiliate marketing is. So an affiliate marketing is also when you decide to take someone's product or services or merchant's product or services and decide to sell them on their behalf. Once you get a sales or generate sales through your link, you're going to be also earning commission as an affiliate. So now also I'm going to be using ChatGPT as an affiliate marketing. So remember to subscribe to this channel, No Max TV. Like this video and also turn the notification button if also you did not subscribe. Also, if you have any suggestion or comment, leave it in the comment section. Without wasting time, let's get started. So for example, now I ask ChatGPT also now create a single paragraph. Sorry, I have to delete the post in order to also to start new. Maybe I can start a new chat. Now create a single paragraph. Yes, a single Facebook post for me for marketing iPhone 11. Make sure that it is one paragraph. Also it is one paragraph to be also to make it short. So which means this is the direction that I'm giving ChatGPT to be following it to what I'm going to be doing. So if I hit now enter, it's going to be also generating the details. So as you see, now I have to wait this ChatGPT to generate the details of also the Facebook post that is generating for me. And as you can see, it generated a single short post that I can be able to post on my social media. I can post this on Instagram, I can post this on Facebook, also I can post this everywhere I want to be posting it also and be able to generate money. You can see, attention iPhone lovers, unleash the power of technology with the phenomenal iPhone 11, now available at an incredible price. Get ready to capture stunning photos with its advanced dual camera system. Immerse yourself in vibrant visuals on the brilliant liquid retina display and experience lightning fast performance with the bionic chip. Upgrade your smartphone game on. So you can see now it is providing all the details that can be also able to attract the client who also are interested in buying iPhone 11. So now what I need to do, I need to come here on this platform and start as an affiliate marketer. So I start an affiliate program. If you have not already signed up on this platform as an affiliate marketer, you need to also to come here and also sign up. You can see I have logged in as an affiliate marketer on this site, but also if you did not also sign up, you need to sign up first. You can see it has various products that you can be able to promote, and once you generate the sales on this product, you are going to be earning commission. So if you sell you sell a high number of products, you're going also to be earning higher amount of money. can see also there are a lot of products, there are a lot of things that you can be also able to market here and also be able to generate money by being working as an affiliate on this site. So what I do, I have to come here, you see, I have to come and become an affiliate. This is because I want to be promoting a post and also earn money. Becoming an affiliate here will allow me to have an account that will be able to also to help me track the payments, track the commissions I have earned, track people who visited my product, also generate a link that I want to be promoting. Also as an iPhone 11 that you want to be promoting, so I can be also opening the site in new tab and also be able to find out if there is an iPhone 11 that I want to be promoting. So you need to sign up if you did not sign up on this platform. So after this, I have to come here and search also iPhone 11. I have to find out if I see an iPhone 11, I can be able to search it out here, and also once I search it out here, I can get an iPhone 11 that I want to be promoting. Because I have also now created a post with ChatGPT which is talking about iPhone 11. If I type iPhone 11, I'm going to be getting an iPhone 11 that I want also to proceed with promoting. You can say I have iPhone 14. Now let me see if I can get iPhone 11. So iPhone 14, iPhone charger. You can see Apple iPhone. Yes, you can see now I have Apple iPhone 11. So without going to search a lot, you can see if I have this Apple iPhone 11. Now you can see I'm going to be promoting this one. So what I need to do, I need to also to copy this link URL for this iPhone 11 and also bring it here on the link generator on this platform, which means I'm going to be generating a link which is going to be helping me to track also the client who bought the product through my affiliate link. So if I paste the link here, also I'm going to be generating the link. So now I have to paste the link there, then also I have to wait. Now I have to copy this URL. As you can see, if I copy this URL from there, you see now it has the additional code which is called affiliate 99, which means this is the tracking code or the tracking ID which will be tracking everyone who purchased the product via your affiliate link. So which means that if a person, for example, if I visited this link, you can see, because I created my account in a moment, if I visited this link, for example, you can see I use this affiliate account. You see now it is still showing there. Now I can buy this product. If I buy this product, you are going to be getting commission. For example, if I come here on this visit, you can see I can be able to track whether someone visited my product or not. You can see now you see now there is a person who visited your product but is not yet converted. So you see now the origin, it is also not applicable and it is not yet converted. For example, I can be going anywhere. So if I open this one and also I open this link in also incognito as a new tab, you can see I'm going to be getting various details which are going to be also showing me the result, whether the person has visited my site or not. So now let me see if I'm going to be if it is going to be reflecting in my affiliate dashboard that someone has visited my site. You can see I have also to come back here and see. So if also I refresh this one, you can see I see if someone has visited my site or not. You see now it is not yet converted. Now I have to wait this one to reload. Now you can see that also it is showing that 2 persons have visited this URL of also my affiliate link, but also not yet converted. But this means that they have also visited your affiliate link. If they have purchased your product, you can also be able to find it here and also be able to make money by using this affiliate program. So now you can be able to ask ChatGPT also to make an Instagram post. You can be able also to make use ChatGPT or to create every details you want. Now what you need to be doing, you need also to come here and also take that link you generated here. Now what you do, also you click here, then you copy this post that ChatGPT provided to you, you paste it here in this on Facebook post or Instagram, depending on where you are posting. Then you copy this link, also you paste this link on that social media. You see it has also provided now the keyword or the target, the tags that may be also helping your post to be visible to most of the people. So which means you can be able to generate a lot of posts in a short time, and also be able to post a lot of things in short time, which also will be helping you to generate money by working as an affiliate. And also what is good here is that it is going to be giving you also very meaningful and also attractive posts that can be helping you to attract the audience to purchase your product. Thank you for watching this video. Also, if you have any suggestion or issue, or if you have any comment, also remember to leave it in the comment section. Also don't hesitate also to contact us if you wish also any kind of video that you can be preparing for you. And also remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, No Max TV, and turn notification button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at No Max TV.